Yeah, we're here in. Ooh, there's so much sale behind us. So,
And we're going to Big W
okay, where are we going in Big W?
to buy socks and buy something.
Oh. Okay, are we going to the toy section?
Yeah,
What are you gonna do there? Happy?
buy something.
Okay. So let's hurry up. Okay, we're inside the shop now. Yeah. We're here in Big W, so just keep walking. And it's our friend. Good morning. Hello. Hi, good day. Have a good day. Yes, that we saw someone that we knew. Okay. I'm happy. There's so much. Are you excited? Oh yeah. Okay, and walking. Where are you? Okay, I'm up here. How did you turn? Oh, just wait.